give you a free set to give away to one of your subscribers and supporters of the channel. So that's right, guys, this is the giveaway. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who back. Maybe with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today, man. What's going on, guys? I got a quick video for y'all, man. Quick update video that I want to provide y'all regarding my Lasfit mats. But before we get that started, man, if you haven't already, go ahead, follow me on Instagram. If you watch the video, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down there. Very active on Instagram, guys, so you want to know more behind like day-to-day life stuff I do. Check me out on Instagram. Also, shout out to Nitto. Y'all know, partnership with Nitto. And to my boy, 6.7 Sheesh, man. Put him right there. Y'all go follow him, check him out too, man. It's been over a year and a half now, believe it or not, guys, with my Lasfit floor mats, guys. It's been that long. And I can still say that I love my Lasfit floor mats. Mouth a little dry. I love them. Great mat. Me and Lasfit have already partnered up to give away, what, 2 or 3 sets of these, guys. For those of you all who have won a giveaway, you probably can comment below and tell me how great the mats are and just prove what I'm saying. They are a great mat, guys. I'm gonna show y'all, love them. My main thing about the mat is the fitment. They are super flush, super thin, right? But they're durable and they fit amazing. So now it's been about a year and a half. You can kind of see where it's kind of lifting up right here. You know, it's not fitting as flush as it once was, you know, but if I push it down, it fits. But so you can see where I can kind of get in some wear, right? I mean, no product is perfect. Let's not sit here and pretend like it's going to be perfect. But you can see here, they still look really good and they still holding up very, very well. Other thing I like about them is that they're super easy to clean. With the Lasfit floor mats, guys, they do come with the microbead technology. They're odor free. So when you get some, you'll see. Now, I did have some Motor Trend mats. They were like, they want the same quality as these. They don't even compare. So these so far have been the best mat I got. The fitment, I can show y'all the back really quick. It's one of my favorite. Here's my back. You can see I had some spills. Kind of cleaned it up already, but here's the back mat, man, and they look good, bro. Like they look really good. Look at the fitment, like just flush. It fits perfectly everywhere. Probably the last thing I like about them the most, guys, is they're easy to clean. So like I'm just clean this one real quick, for example, just show y'all. I'm just gonna take it out. I don't have a dryer, washer, soap, so I'm just gonna pull it out, shake it off, right? And look how clean my carpet is. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see, there we go. Look how clean it is. Like there's a little dirt here, but like where the mat is, there's no dirt. That's because of the fitment. The fitment is so good on these, guys. So I'm gonna show y'all how to clean it real quick. Y'all see how dirty the mat is? Show y'all, boom, put that there. Literally, get some soap. I'm gonna get some water. I only got soap. Take my water right here. Go ahead, pour a little on there. Boom, like that. And y'all see the bead? Look at that. See that's beading up right there? There's one bead, but y'all see it has that micro bead technology. Look at the beads. Beads. So it really does beads up. I'm not playing with y'all, it does beads up. So I got a little water. Ooh, that back is flying. Okay. Ooh, getting it. Yeah. Now, I'm just gonna take my towel, guys. My cloth towel. And literally just wipe it. And just wipe it. Right? And this is with no soap, no water, no, just soap, just water. No soap, no nothing. And they clean very easy, guys.
That microbead technology is really dope. Really dope. I don't think I see any other mat yet. Alright. There we go. Almost done now. And like I said, guys, this is just a quick rinse with some freaking water. Like, I didn't do anything special here. So
let's say you had like a quick spill and you wanted to wipe it up, you know, real quick. You had to pull over side the road like I just did. Maybe your kid or wife or somebody spill something. Boom. Get that. Now, sit it back in here. And I'm doing this while filming, guys, with one hand, you know? All right, get the rest of the water that fell out when I picked it up.
Now see? You see? You know? All right.
And boom, it's clean. That's it, that's why I love them. Fitment, price point not bad, very competitive price point, and then how easy are they to clean. So you're probably wondering, Q, this is like your 3rd video doing with the Lasfit mats, man. I know. It's a great mat for one. But 2, Lasfit reached out to me like, hey, you know, how you enjoying the mats? I'm like, I'm loving them so far. They're like, you know what? We cool. We want to give you a free set to give away to one of your subscribers and supporters of the channel. So that's right, guys. This is the giveaway. You get a chance to win you free set of these Lasfit floor mats, guys. How do you enter? I enter out most of my giveaways. 1, you got to be subscribed to this channel. So click the subscribe button. 2, you got to be subscribed to Lasfit's YouTube channel. 3, you gotta follow me on Instagram. Put that there. 4, you just have to send me an email showing proof that you're subscribed to me, Lasfit, and follow me on Instagram. Send proof of those 3 things, and you enter. You ain't gotta buy nothing, just to support me, support Lasfit, get you a chance to win you a free set, guys. If you don't win the giveaway, Lasfit is offering you all 15% off any purchase on their website until November 30th by using the code right there, guys. I'll put the code right there. So if you don't win the giveaway, that's okay. 15% off to November 30th. Use that code and get you some Lasfit product. They do sell lighting, of course, the floor mats here. Also, my phone chargers, Lasfit as well. So I'm telling you guys, they got a lot of stuff going on, man. So use that code, get you something. So from the moment this video goes live, you have 5 days to send me your submissions. I'm not sure what day I'm gonna post it. It's gonna be a Tuesday or Thursday. 5 days from that date to enter. So if I post it on Thursday, that's what? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I'll put all of the details in the description so you can go down there and read if you got any questions. Hopefully one of y'all win and get the Enjoy Your Lasfit match like I do. But yeah, that's your boy Q. Again, thank you, Lasfit, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.